But let me warn you, hippos aren't the only animals roaming downtown. And it's time to move up the street for lunch. This is the Texan Cafe and Pie Shop that's been serving hungry hippos since 1966. And like the legendary hippo, this cafe planted itself on Main Street and it ain't moving. Here are the owners, Jenny and Warren Smith.
All right, I want to dig into this. What do we have here?
Fried green tomatoes.
Oh, country living.
Pretty good, isn't it?
Go up. Hot out of the grease. So how did y'all come to own the Texan Cafe, the institution of downtown Hutto?
And we were Texan Cafe customers for 10 plus years. We were both working in the corporate world. We decided that if we were going to work that hard, we wanted to do it for ourselves.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
But here we go.
So, man, the good Lord paving the way to open this up. Were y'all at-home cooks at least? Or?
I'm kind of a chef. You know, growing up with my grandparents, my grandmother taught me how to cook, both sides, you know, they were both country grandmas.
Okay. I love to eat, so that works out well.
As the cow head above the door suggests, the Texan Cafe serves lots of beef, but with plenty of other scratch-made dishes and plenty of deep-fried goodness.
We didn't change anything. You know, we didn't change anything at all. And then slowly but surely, there were a few things that maybe we wanted to change, and our customers, they were fantastic to us, and Hutto's been fantastic to us.
Don't mess with success, right?
Exactly. What's been the best part?
You know, I think it's the joy that we get from our customers.
Our oldest daughter is director of operations, and our grandchildren are here all the time. I mean, it's family, and we love that.
I think that's like the heart of these small town cafes, what it has always been. I'm glad to see that it's still that way. So here's the $1 million question. What should I get for lunch?
I always believe in starting with pie first.
Of course.
So
okay.
I think you should have a piece of pie to start off with.
I can't disagree. Now, the pie shop side of things makes over 50 different kinds of pie. So if you're gonna spoil your lunch, this is the way to do it.
So what all we have?
So we have key lime, lemon drop, and peppermint patty.
Oh my gosh, that's so good. This place seems to have a bit of an identity crisis. Is it more cafe or pie shop?
It's both.
Okay.
It's the best of both worlds.
Why not? Yeah. Can I take a bite?
Absolutely.
Can I try this one?
Time to quit stuffing my face and go visit Robin, doing the real work around here.
Like a kid in a candy store, but better yet, I'm a kid in a pie shop. Walk me through, what kind of pies we have right here?
All right, so this is gonna be our deep dish apple pie, blueberry, rhubarb. That's our s'more pie, big.
My gosh, you think it has enough whipped cream on it? Is there
No.
even a pie underneath there?
Never enough whip, ever. Coconut creams, top seller for sure.
The number one.
Number one.
How much does it outsell the others?
Oh, big time, big
Like
time.
2 to 1?
Probably more than that, probably more
Really?
3 to 1. Yeah, that's a big favorite for sure.
You just eat it by the scoop like this?
No, you gotta dump it in here.
I mean, these are ready to stuff.
Yeah.
Let's go. I interrupted your workday. Get going. This is the part I always mess up. Oh, I'm feeling pretty good. This is a born skill.
It takes some skill.
Come on, twist, twist.
For the record, Easy as Pie relates only to eating these things. At least for me.
We toast these coconut, and we're gonna sprinkle it on the top.
Y'all
Super
toast
super.
up the coconut yourself?
Yes.
Y'all aren't taking any shortcuts, huh?
No.
A little bit more, right?
That's perfect.
I mean this honestly. This is one of the top pie shops in all of Texas, in my opinion. Very few people are taking the time to do it the old-fashioned way like y'all are.
Mm-hmm. And people can tell. They can tell.
Before I indulge in yet another piece, I better get some actual lunch. And by that, I mean chicken fried steak.
You know, I've been here quite a few times. I don't think I've ever ordered anything different. You walk underneath the big cow, and you just think, I owe it to that cow to eat a chicken fried steak. Gosh, you got that tender steak, the crispy crust, the gravy, the salt, the black pepper. This right here is a Texas pastime. Order up a chicken fried steak, mashed potatoes, sit in a mom and pop cafe, just stare out the window.
What are you looking at?
I'm pondering.
Oh, the pastime of pondering. And after I polish off this steak, well, I'm ready to ponder another piece of pie.
Here we have a hot brandy apple. When you leave here today, sir, you're going to be an addict, and I'm going to be your dealer.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I think I might already be addicted.
It's warm, pie, cold ice cream, all the things good in life.
Yeah, probably best y'all just try it for yourself. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.